Hey there! Today we're going to go through how to set up a custom domain inside the TinyBrander system and linking that to a particular store within TinyBrander. So let's jump onto the big screen and take a look. So as you can see, here we are inside the TinyBrander account, and you want to be down here in your store management. Now if you're wanting to add the custom domain to an existing account, you just come across here to the settings section and click that. And that will bring you into this section here. If you're doing this when you're adding a brand new store, it will automatically bring you into this section anyway. So it brings you to the same place. So we're talking about the same thing. Now, as you can see down here, it's saying add your custom domain. And there's some instructions here on how to add your custom domain. So you can just click that to get the drop down. So the first thing you want to do here is actually add your custom domain into the TinyBrander system. So you just click into this box right here, and you want to type in the name of the domain you want. Mine is johnteststore.com. No HTTP or HTTPS or www. None of that, just the pure domain, johnteststore.com, and hit add custom domain. And that says it's added successfully. Now we just need to link where that domain is held to the TinyBrander system and that particular store. Let me show you exactly how I'm going to do it. Now it's going to vary ever so slightly depending on where your domain has been bought and where you're currently holding your domain to where you change these records. But I'm doing mine in where I buy my domains, which is a company called NameSilo. So I'll be showing you that from there. So what I'll want to do is copy this IP address here, and we're going to copy, we're going to grab hold of that and copy that IP address. Now I'm going to jump across to my domain manager here in NameSilo, and I have a test store set up here, so I'm going to hop into there. And as I say, it'll be very different or slightly different depending on where your accounts are held, and you want to look for something that says DNS records. Mine is here, so I want to go across here to update that. And as you can see, I've actually already got my A record here connected to that IP address that we copied earlier. But I can easily add it again to show you how that's done. So we want an A record, so I click A. And that brings us up with this section where it says hostname, and it in the instructions tell you to just use the @ symbol there. In the IP address, we just want to paste that IP address we had before. And under TTL, it tells you that you want to use 14400. And then all you do is hit submit. And once that has been submitted, that will then associate that custom domain with your store. So people can just type in the custom domain that you've bought and it will go directly to your store. As you can see, all of the instructions are listed here on how to do that. And as I said, it will vary slightly depending on where you buy your domain. But really, you just need to add an A record with this IP address right here listed. Set the host as the @ symbol, and have the TTL as 14,400 or 14400. Click save and you're done. Take about 24 hours, maybe 48 hours to take effect, but after that you should be good to go. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@tinybrander.com.